My name is Jason Abboud. I'm a master's student at the University of Calgary in geoscience with a focus on hydrogeology. I mean, mapping an area of inquiry is everything. It's the foundation for you to get going on your research project. So for my project, mapping an area of inquiry was finding that knowledge gap. And for me, it was the knowledge gap that existed in that basic scientific understanding of a concept that we so often apply to the real world, but there was a basis knowledge gap that was missing in the field. You have to see what resources are available and what skills you want to learn. So I was very confident in my skills of running a bench-side experiment. What I wanted to do was I wanted to look at some database analysis, I wanted to look at the liability, and I wanted to build those skills. On the other side, I also wanted to build programming skills. And I think when you map an area of inquiry, it's really important to look at what skills you have to answer these questions, but also what skills you want to gain from this process. What really motivates me to do research is that it has a larger scale implication. And if your research only answers a question that only you and your supervisor are curious about, well, maybe it wasn't a good avenue to go down. When your research affects the larger community outside the university, it's really rewarding to see, and it's really motivating to actually conduct that research. Politics permeates the science in everyday life, whether it's in oil and gas, with water use or tailings, for example. These are issues that are politicized, whether it's between political parties or among citizens. But fundamentally, I think it's important that scientists look at the facts, research these questions, and then take that outwards, take that outside of their lab, take it outside of their offices, and communicate unbiasedly, objectively, what the answer to these research questions are. And then from there, we can form decisions.